Hey guys, in this video we're gonna introduce multi-threading as we discussed previously. So the way we're gonna do it first, I'm gonna create a list called device list. We're gonna run it one thread at a time with a for loop, and then what we're gonna do is run it with multi-threading. Okay. So and also I'm gonna do it in a way to actually have errors. So I've created a couple of switches, virtual switches. 1, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, good. So this is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and this one for the connection timeout. Okay. So let's check what's the output that we're gonna get. So for device, then device list. Right. Great. Okay, no, not good. It's gonna take forever. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, perfect. All right. Okay, perfect. It's working properly. Alright, so now we're gonna introduce multi-threading to our script. So we've noticed how slow this is running. So the way we're gonna do it is we're gonna create 3 threads, and those threads will actually go into a loop, and they will check if the device list still have any element, and if they does, they will actually perform the copy to it. If the device list is empty, the thread will kill itself. Okay. So we don't need to use queuing. We might, like, if we're using multi-processing, you have to use queuing, because but threads actually share memory. So 3%. So we don't need to use queuing. So here we're gonna check if the device list still have any elements, so why it has elements. And we're gonna do dot pop. We could do pop 0 just if you wanna take it from the beginning. Okay, IS to device. Compose. We copy it just as it is. Let's command this. Okay, and here we have to create a thread. Sorry, we have to create the thread list just because let's do W. this should be a tuple, so we add the comma at the end, and we need to start the thread. Then thread list dot append it to T, and here we need to join the threads again. Just it's cleaner this way. Okay. So here, if you notice, I didn't get the device because we're getting the global one. If you provide it here, what will happen? The list will provide the full list, and then each thread will perform the copy to each switch in the device list. Here, it's getting it from the actual device list, which is global. Okay. So let's run the script, see if it's gonna work properly. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, so it started 654. Okay, so you notice that the print statement has a lock already built into it. I'm not gonna go over to explain how multi-threading works, but like, so what happened is the output is noisy. You don't know which output is for what, right? So image copied correctly. So the way we're gonna deal with that is just through the print statement. We just add a device IP at the beginning. Okay, that's the easiest way to do it. It'll come out a bit better. Yeah. Those will not work because we could tweak them for them to work, but like that's fine. Alright, so let's see if the output has changed or improved. Why not? I'll fix that. We need to add a space. And for the first thing first here, there's no need for that. Second, this. First, one with comma. Same thing. Very close. Not perfect. Just to make it somewhat clean. And so here we know that it means that the thread has started copying to those switches. And we know 6 has the wrong IP, wrong credentials, and 4 and 5 are done, and it automatically started with those two, and the third thread just killed itself because no, actually there's 2 or 3 also, and now it killed itself. And the 201 there's no route to host, so now we could say see that 201 correctly, 202 correctly, 203, 204, 205. 206, we're done. That's perfect. The script is done. Alright guys, thanks for joining and bearing with me this long series. I'm gonna create just one more video, just a summary for the people who don't want to go into the script itself, just how they could utilize it just by filling those information. Thanks for joining guys. Also, please, if you like this video, like and subscribe to the channel. and you could actually ask your questions in the comment section. I try to reply as fast as possible, and you could also reach out through our contact us page. Thank you guys, have a good day.